welcome back to my channel. I'm excited. Today I'm going to be trying Fenty Beauty's new foundation stick called the Eaze Drop Blur and Smooth Tint Stick. I am trying the shades 20 and 21. Now on the Sephora website we have the little chart where it tells you which shades you're supposed to wear in the skin tint. I wear 430 and 440 technically. In one of my previous videos, I realized in the summertime 440 is actually my perfect match. So from that perspective, I will be wearing the shade 21. However, we are going to be entering the winter season very soon. And so because winter is going to start very soon, I mean, does it make sense to get 21? So I was in the store just very confused. Like, 21 because I'm 440 now, but I'm gonna be 430 again very soon. So should I get 20? I wasn't sure what to get. So basically, I got the two shades and that's what I'm going to be doing today in today's video. I will be trying 20 on one side and 21 on the other side. So if you're like me, you're a little bit confused on which shade to get in the Eaze Drop and you just want to hear my thoughts in general on this foundation, well, just keep on watching. I'm not going to be wearing any kind of filter. I want you to see how this product works on my skin because it claims to be blurring. I do have some acne scars. I will zoom in. I'm gonna bring you close to me, very close to me, and then you can see for yourself how this performs. First, I'm going to prime my face. I always like to go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Put that on. Okay, next is the moment we all been waiting for to try out the foundation sticks. So remember, I'm going to be doing 20 on this side and I'm going to be doing 21 on this side. This is how the box is looking. And we're gonna take this out. This crease-proof formula delivers a blurred, smooth second skin finish that resists fading and transferring. Easy to use, the stick helps with all-day hydration and contains color-true pigments that resist oxidation. Plus, it's 100% recyclable. I'm going to use two beauty blenders, so I will use 20 with my pink and 21 with my black beauty blender, just so you know, no colors are being mixed together as I blend. First, I'm going to go in with 20. Oh, when you open it, it has a little cap on it. Interesting. Makes sense. And this is how much product you get. It kind of reminds me of the matchstick, you know? I think we got roughly this amount, I believe. Oh, that's glided very nicely. Okay, that's 20. Yeah, it does remind me of how 430 looks on me in the summertime. So let's see how this blends out. Okay, so this is how not 430. This is how 20 is looking on this side of my face. This is the side with no foundation. This is the side with 20 as the foundation. And it doesn't look too bad, especially as it settles into the skin. Oh yeah, this doesn't look bad. Now we're going to try 21 on this side. And this is how 21 is looking. Very creamy. I actually love how creamy these are because the matchsticks were a little bit hard on the skin, like it's like you were really tugging at it, like ugh. But these glide on very nicely at least. It reminds me of the Juvia's stick foundation. I used to like that one as well. That looks. I actually like how that looks. Like the 20, it's not like it doesn't match, you know, but at the same time this is a little bit like, I don't know, I just like how 21 is sitting on my skin a little bit better. What do you think? What do you guys think? Do you like how 20 is looking? 21? It's tricky. It's tricky. But if I had to pick one for now, for today, if I had to pick one, I think I like how 21 is looking. 21 is looking very nice in my opinion. It just gives life to my skin. You get me? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, I like how that looks. I like how 21 is looking. I feel like 20 might really just be the shade for the winter time, but in this very present moment, 21 is giving my skin life. Like, you can kind of see shade. Yeah, you can kind of see it compared to my neck. Yeah, I think 21 is the proper shade. Even my cheek, it just looks so cute. I don't know, everything. I just like how 21 is sitting on my skin. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Let's go in with one more layer on each side just to see how it builds up. So we're gonna do more 20. And more 21, hold on, missed the spots, and more 21 on this side. So this is how 20 is looking and how 21 is looking. Honestly, like I said, I think for now I do prefer how 21 is looking on my skin. So if you use me as a shade reference, I would say 21, at least for the summertime right now, but I wouldn't say a full no to 20. Like 20 can work as well. I'm very surprised though, because I like this 20 more than the 20 in the liquid skin tint. If you want me to do a comparison between the liquid and the stick, let me know. I think I might just do that anyways, because I'm very curious to see how both match up, because I didn't love the liquid, but the stick, I like how the stick is looking in both shades. I think both shades can work, but I do prefer how 21 is looking on my skin tone. I'm going to go finish my look off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my final look. I didn't go in with any kind of concealer or anything like that. All I did was just set my T-zone with a translucent setting powder. Can you take a guess which powder? Let me know in the comments which powder you think it is. But yeah, honestly, I I am still not in shock, but I like how both came out. I think the right now for me, it's just more true to color for my current shade. So yeah, I still think the right. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I like both. Is that? I'm sorry. I think I just do like both. I think both can wear, and you know, I think it's good that, you know, we reached a point where you can wear multiple shades for your skin tone and you can make it work, because once upon a time that was not the case. Like either one shade did work or the others didn't, or none worked at all. So I honestly think I can get away with wearing both 20 on this side and 21 on this side. I might just keep both shades. Yeah, I think I'll keep both shades. I'll see what it looks like in the winter time, but I like how the left looks. I like how the right looks. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, maybe you guys can help me determine which looks better, because I'm clearly blind or something. But thank you again everyone for watching this video. I hope this video helped you in some shape or form. If it did, if you have your own thoughts and opinions on how 20 looks versus 21, let me know in the comments below. I would greatly appreciate your feedback. And remember, self-care is how we practice self-love. Mwah! Bye!